Hey all, here's a look at how to use this Bosch integrated oven. Have a look at the functions. Now, we've got our temperature gauge here, and that's key. This icon, thermometer, means it's not the temperature when you see it on the display, as we'll have a look at in a moment. This is off. This one is 3D hot air, which is baking and roasting, and it's just a fan oven. So if you're cooking fan oven temperatures, this one down here, the bottom right, is actually a gentle hot air for gently cooking selected foods on one level without preheating. I'm not really sure when you'd want that, but okay, whatever. Now this one, standard grill icon over here, and it says the grill large area. Now, and then the last one, nope, not the last one, but the last cooking setting, this one is what the manual calls circulated air grilling, this one over here. And that's when you want to, grill something like it says a larger piece of meat or fish, so like a whole fish or a joint where you want to grill it. So you'd use that one rather than your standard grill, because then that circulates the air more. And then this one is simply to turn the light on in the oven, okay, if you want to leave it in, whatever. Right, and that's back to 0. So again, over here, the only thing to note really about the temperature, well, one, that it's a fan oven, so you adjust accordingly, but two, you've also got these marks. 1, 2, and 3 match the grill, because you can see the grill icon here, and that's 3 grill, 2, and 1. Okay, so I mean, they broadly correspond with temperatures anyway, but just so you know. Right, next up, let's turn it on. Okay, so as per the manual, this goes, if I tap this now, timer, duration, so how long you want to cook for, and again, that goes off really quickly. So we've got a duration. Again, this icon would cook for 30 minutes and turn off. Now, if I go there, once I've got that timer going, then I can get to the end time, which is very confusing. Just to know, if you really, want to reset one of these quite quickly, you can just turn this dial to turn the power off, and you see how that resets. And I can't do it because it's off then. Let me turn it back on. Timer, plus minus, whatever, fine. Duration, so 30 minutes, and end time. Now obviously, if it's less than the time you set, the end time will turn it off and it'll come on later. If the duration and the end time don't quite match in terms of your maths, then it'll just start straight away, I think. And if I wanted to turn that off, easiest way, just literally turn the dial to the top, and remember to turn that one as well. There you go. I hope you found it useful. Goodness me, I found it frustrating. And check out this video for more, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.